What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica Studios, and once again we're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. What we're going to be doing here is that we're going to take off the last lesson that we did. The last lesson was this right here with the hard transitioning, but what we're looking at today is this one right here. Okay, we're going to create this right here. This animation is all done inside of Premiere Pro. Let's go ahead and come over here. I've already copied out this section right here, and I've got it sitting right over here, so that's what we're going to be doing. Let's go ahead and put it there, hold down the Alt wheel or the Alt key, and let's scroll on in. Come over here to the beginning. Let's put about right there, that way I can see what I'm doing. Click on text, type here and paste in. Come back over here, selection tool. Let's make it smaller, about right up in here. Take your cursor and run it to the edge right here, and then we're going to drag it down. We're going to put this right here, make it just a little bit smaller. Drag this right here. And so what we want to do is that we want to come over here to our effects control, click here, and then come down, and we want to set our opacity. We're going to set our opacity to about 75. Okay, then come all the way here to the beginning of it, and we're going to set the opacity to 0. Now we're going to come over here and set the position right here. Go ahead and create a keyframe there. Then we're going to drag it to about right up in here, grab a hold of it, and then drag it all the way down here to the end. Okay, and then click and then run it, and there we go. Very smooth, very easy transition or animation to add in to your project. I am Wayne Barron, this is Audio-Technica Studios. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.